Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Hyundai in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Hyundai i10. This is the SE, so it does come with a lovely specification. You've got some really useful features with the car that include things like a DAB digital radio with USB and auxiliary inputs for media devices. You've also got Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, air conditioning, as well as cruise control with a speed limiter. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. But if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you, have a good day.